sense a great disturbance in the force, almost as if someone is in need of my help. Thinking between the Leia and the Rey. What do you think, baby? 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 Baby! Baby, come back here. Come here. Come here, the right's not open yet. Come back. Come on. Bright sides. Everyone the lightsaber. Bright sides, everybody. And welcome to the latest episode of Vincent Vision. It is 5 o'clock in the morning and we are back at Disney's Hollywood Studios. This time we are here for the greatest ride that will ever open. Maybe, who knows? I think it's gonna be the best ride ever. Rise of the Resistance. It is 5 in the morning, me and my baby are here. We're ready to get this thing started. There's already a line of people all trying to get in. We have got to meet up with some very, very important friends. So let's jump right into it. This is my least favorite part about this kind of thing, is trying to find people in line, because you have to, I don't know, I don't want to like, here, I'm gonna see if they're over here. We have caught up to the person we have in line, ladies and gentlemen. It is Jamie. Oh, also Justin's here as well. The gang's all here, we're ready to go. The Vincent Vision team is ready to ride Rise of the Resistance. Oh boy. And now it begins. They have just let everybody in. Oh, look at this. The rush has begun. Look at all the people running. Oh, hey. Oh, thank God, Andy. Come on, let's go. Go get in the thing. Go straight to a venue. We're going to we gotta get the Elephant in the Galaxy Edge t-shirts. This is the current situation. It's about what, 5:30 now? Yeah. 5:25. We just got in and now they moved us forward. Everyone started running. It was very hectic. It felt like Black Friday. All of us here going to Rise of the Resistance. Or you can head over to Toy Story Land, get that 5-minute Slinky Dog Dash. Hey, look at them go. So here's the deal. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning now. They have set up a boarding pass system. That's fun. So you have to go on the app, get a time to come in, just like how they kind of had planned for the land. Now they're using it for this ride, which makes sense. But this was filled with a bunch of people a few moments ago, and they dispersed everybody. Tower of Terror is open, the Rock and Roller Coaster is open. They have people waiting over here to get into Toy Story Land, and I think they're really just being like, hey, just wait for your boarding pass, then you can come and ride the ride. So if we really do have to wait with this boarding system, we'll probably just go into the land and ride like the Millennium Falcon ride or something.
So I think easy 3 coaxium.
Yeah, like last time, like we did last time.
Yeah, the first time I rode it, we just didn't even try and we got all.
Yeah.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah, that was a pro.
Oh, well, that's really crazy. That must be.
I've heard Vincent's a pro, so.
Yeah, we got 4?
If we get 2.
You get the maximum 2. The only two that you can get.
We definitely got 3.
No, it's not. It's physically impossible. It is logistically.
Yeah, maybe it was at Disney.
It is. Oh well, I was also there, and I got 2 coaxium, the maximum 2.
I'm going to right Tower there.
No, we have to stay here.
I'm going to right Tower.
We have to stay here. Justin, tell her we have to stay here.
No, we can go right Tower.
No, you guys.
Justin's
You
with
don't
me.
believe
We're
this?
on the same
This is why did I bring you guys? It's happening. It's happening.
Welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Go. Now, okay, now stop. All right, now go a little bit, and now stop. It's like, we've made it into the land, well, almost to the land. I think they're letting people in to hang out while they wait for their boarding passes. They are legitimately making us wait for those boarding passes, huh?
Yep, they're gonna make us wait.
Man, this is literally just like Alex's Edge opening. Got a blockade of cast members here standing in front of the entrance of the ride. If you're coming into the land now, you gotta keep going this way here. You don't get to go in just yet. There they go. They say, you guys come back later. I think they just got called for their group. Boarding groups 10 to 12. Also, this makes me feel like,
Maybe we shouldn't stand.
yeah, maybe we should. This is like Lion King. The stampede has begun here at Galaxy's Edge. Boarding groups 10 to 12 have just been called. We have people running through the marketplace to get their spot in line. Cheers to the greatest ride opening we will ever see. I know, I already been into it, so we don't have to like, we don't have to. Hey, group 17, right?
Yeah.
Can we go with you? Now we've returned for our boarding time, so obviously we're gonna be able to just waltz right in. Right? Whoa! Still a lot of people here. Is this the line? Or is that the line? Or is this the line?
Right now.
So it's definitely a little all over the place. We're surrounded by people. They're starting to move now, but I don't think we know what direction we want to move in. We finally made it to the spot in the line where we can go into the line and get a pass to come back because it's not open. We just got our first look into the Rise of the Resistance queue. And that's it. We're done. That was it.
The ride reopened apparently, so
Yeah.
we've left the coffee line. I got no coffee.
Nope.
And,
This is my doing. But we have to head back.
and we're going to ride the ride.
Head back over to Rise of Resistance. We got a no Tower of Terror. Rise of the Resistance that way. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You guys, thank you for saving my spot. Look at this fun boarding group sign. Oh my God, finally we're in the actual queue for now. For now. We're not out of the woods yet though. We've got to go through the pre-show and then the second pre-show and the third pre-show and the seventh pre-show, a million pre-shows until we actually get our butts on the seat, on the ride. Then we'll know that we are ready to experience Rise of the Resistance. Check it out. We are inside the queue. This is so cool. It's dark and dingy in here. This is like a cave. Look, it's the famous benches built in that you could sit in right over here. This is the real wall used in Star Wars right over here. Oh, that's a spoiler. Rise of Skywalker right over there. Oh, be careful.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
Oh my God, I love it.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point.
I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Your way to the general.
No time to look.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
I am losing my freaking mind right now. This is awesome.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. All right, True Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Out for interrogation.
Resistance sympathizes. Interrogation is
This is insane. This is good. This is good. So far, so good. All right. We should go through interrogation just fine now.
What color are you standing on?
Orange.
You had to look.
Just wanted to make sure. Yeah.
What color are you standing?
The resistance prisoners needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We have to escape.
What? What? We are getting out of here.
There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the end of the hallway.
What the heck is this?
Turn right.
Real probe.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, and those are the prisoners.
Oh, no. We got it.
Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners must be moved.
Whoa.
It's the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Whoa. Oh no. Whoa! Oh my gosh, oh my god, get out of the way! Oh jeez! Stop. Oh, that's our cue to get out of here.
There's no escape.
What's going on? Oh my god, it's Kylo Ren!
And the resistance.
Oh! Whoa, no! We got an escape pod, baby. We are getting out of here. Whoa!
Okay, you're clear.
Oh my god, what's gonna happen? I'm nervous. Oh, that too!
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now.
Lieutenant back here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base.
Yeah!
Just ride it another day. We're gonna have another say, and then we're gonna play. And now you guys are gonna go away, but then later you'll be back to stay,
Yes.
and we're gonna get cranked.
That was very good. That's actually very good. We look like a massaging group of monkeys, like stupid. Okay, hold on. This isn't working. 26, baby. That's who they're loading next. How excited! I heard the person doing it over there. That's fun. We have boarding group 90. That is our second opportunity to ride this ride later today. Maybe we will. Hopefully we will.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's not like in an hour or two, because I think we all want to go back home and take a nap because we're very, very tired. We did it.
We actually, we got here. We got on the ride finally.
Rise of the Resistance. What did you guys think?
It was fantastic. It was the accumulation of a bunch of rides put together. It felt like kind of you got a little bit of everything.
More than just the ride itself, it's an experience from the pre-shows to getting on the vehicles to even exiting. It was something very different than we've seen before.
It's awesome. I loved it. Honestly, it's not as thrilling as you might think it's going to be. You know, a lot of people describe it to be a certain way. It's really not. But this is the most immersive ride in Orlando.
Yeah,
We all agree on that. Yeah, it's awesome. Is it the best ride in Orlando?
That's just preference.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just depends what kind of ride you like.
Yeah, it does. I will say, I think though, as far as like in that realm of dark rides, simulators, you know, those types of attractions,
It's up there, yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and put in for right now. Obviously, it just came off the ride, so we're still high off of life.
Yeah.
But like, I love it. I'm just glad we made it on the ride. We love it. Everyone's shouting, everyone's singing the praises, you know, and they have every right to. You know, we made it to the end. Galaxy's Edge is finally complete, or maybe not. You know, like what is it? How do I say? What is it? Walt Disney. Like I don't know who he is. Walt Disney said Disneyland will never be complete, and I'm hoping that also.
We're not at Disneyland.
Well, I hope it applies to Galaxy's Edge, Jamie. But anyway, that's all we got. So hey, thank you guys for watching Vincent Vision. Please be sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. Watch some more of my videos. Watch some more of my Galaxy's Edge videos. Everything has been leading up to today, and we have finally made it to the end. Congratulations, Galaxy's Edge. Congratulations, Disney World. You did it. We did it.
Yeah.
We did.
And let's go take a nap.
Yeah,
we've been here since 4 in the morning. We want to go. Thank you for watching, and may the Force be with you.
And also with you.
And also with you. Bye-bye now.